Let me start off by saying Happy Mother's Day to everyone, even though you may get this video after Mother's Day, but Happy Mother's Day to everyone, and you will see pictures of my mother at the end of this video as well. So this is the hairstyle I decided to wear today, and basically all I did was like a twist out on my hair, a dry twist out on my hair, and I didn't add any product or anything too much, but other than my hair butter, because I wanted my hair to be really big and fluffy this morning. So I just took the twist out. I put a little bit of oil on my hand and took the twist out, and this is the way that it came out. It's a really, really loose twist out, pretty much. And I was able to retain like most of my length. You can see the length of my hair. I was able to retain most of it because my hair was still blown out. And I plan on washing my hair this week. It's really time for me to wash my hair. This is like going on week 3. I told you all in the last week's video that I was a little bit underweight. I'm much better now. Pretty much back to normal now. But I didn't want to wash my hair then because I like to let my hair air dry. I don't like to blow dry my hair out. Most times I just let my hair air dry. And I didn't want to do it with me being sick, etc. So I just pretty much just didn't wash my hair. But this week I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to go back into my protective style. I may end up doing a hair tutorial video this week coming up. But I'll keep you updated on that. So the outfit that I have on today, I have on this turquoise dress. It's just a wide tail dress. I have this dress in a couple of different colors. You've seen me wear the same dress in a different color. I think I have it like in somewhat like a purple and a mint green. And then I have the turquoise one. And I think I have one more. I can't remember what color the other one is. But they're all the same dresses. I ordered them at different times, but they're the same dress. And this one is turquoise. So I decided to put it on with my Louis Vuitton accents today, and I'm also wearing the rest of my accessories are gold. And I'm sorry I have my shoes on. I'm gonna have to take one of my shoes off in a second and show you the shoes that I have on. But the jewelry today, I kept it gold. On this hand I have a diamond ring my husband brought me. This, and also on this hand I have the turquoise butterfly ring that I purchased at my local beauty supply store. I also have these gold bracelets. They all came on a card together. It's actually 2 more to go to it. There was like 2 more snow white bracelets that came with it. But I took those out because I didn't have one white this morning. So I just kept all the rest of them in there. And I purchased these at Burlington Coat Factory. And I also got this one at Burlington's Coat Factory as well. And it has a few rhinestones in it. The earrings were actually a birthday gift. I love these earrings. They're so cute. So yeah. I'm wearing those this morning. The necklace I have on, which you can't really see all of it. The chain I purchased off eBay a long time ago. It's a kind of heavy chain. And then I also purchased a charm. And it's a hard charm. I added a few crystals on it. Hopefully you can see that. And it's a locket. It opens up where you can put a picture on the inside of it. Right now I just have a picture of my husband on the inside of it. And I'm going to add another picture on this side. I'm going to add my grandmother's picture on the other side of it. So that's what I have on today. And it's kind of I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of a long chain. Somewhat. Not long, but it's a big, pretty big charm. I have on a Louis Vuitton belt as well. The handbag, I'm going to take one of my shoes off. So yeah, so this is the shoes that I'm wearing this morning. I showed you these in the video. Hopefully you saw the video. If not, you will see the video of what these look like before I actually blinged them out. They were turquoise already somewhat. It was like a 2-tone turquoise. I don't know the name of these stones. I can't remember the top part of these stones. So if anyone knows, let me know. I can't remember the name of them. I ordered them, but I can't remember. And they reflect different colors kind of at the top. And the bottom part is just solid turquoise, and I have the bow. And the strap pretty much I blinged out all over as well. Like I said, I have a video on the shoes. If you haven't seen it, it will be posted soon. The handbag that I'm taking today, trying to get my shoe back on. The handbag that I'm taking today I'm actually taking my Louis Vuitton handbag. I didn't have a turquoise. I don't want to have on too much turquoise, so I decided to take this handbag today. And I really love this handbag because it'll go with anything. And the belt that I have on is just like this. It's a Louis Vuitton belt as well. It's the same print as this. And you'll see it in pictures at the end of this video. My battery on my camera is about to die, so I'm going to keep this video short. So that is basically it for everything. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.